This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone is updated and you have a recent backup. Open Screen Time, iOS, or Digital Wellbeing Android and view current limits. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, record active app categories and any family settings. These values guide changes. Now take the first actionable step. Toggle screen monitoring on if off, then export or screenshot settings so you can revert if needed. Next, you adjust detailed controls to reduce unwanted time. First, set app-specific limits with exact hours and minutes instead of broad estimates so the system enforces usage precisely. Then configure scheduled downtime and allow exceptions only for key apps like phone and messages. Make sure to enable focus or do not disturb variants and mute non-essential notifications. This reduces triggers. Finally, activate app. You finish by verifying enforcement and preparing for problems. Test the new limits for a full day and review usage reports to confirm behavior changed. This shows what to tweak. If you need accountability, set or change a screen time passcode or enable family controls so rules can't be bypassed. If limits don't work, restart the phone, install pending updates, and as a last resort, reset screen time or digital well-being settings. This usually resolves persistent bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.